Hi, my name is Rhett Fincher, and I'm here with my hubby, Rhett. And we wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about an upcoming workshop, May 5th and 6th, that's called Transforming Your Naughty Pony into Your Dream Horse. And what we wanted to do is offer this to people that feel like they just haven't been able to move past certain challenges with their horse, and they just don't know what to do anymore, or they are too scared to do it on their own. And what we wanted to do is move it into a safe environment for you, with Rhett, for Rhett to help you and guide you with your horse and taking a look at those challenges. Things like your horse knocks you over when you go to feed your horse bucks, your horse rears, your horse won't go, your horse runs away with you, on and on and on. No problem or challenge is too small, no challenge is too big. And so, Rhett, do you want to just tell them a little bit about, why somebody might want to take a look at coming to this particular workshop?
Well, most of your horse problems usually stem from a couple simple things, and we can teach you how to recognize that, get the respect and attention, and build the positive patterns that your horse can rely on in you and yourself to be in those patterns, that then the communication can occur a lot more efficiently.
Okay. So we look forward for you coming out here in May 5th and 6th. I think that's what it was. Did I say that right?
Derby.
Yep. May 5th and 6th. Is that Derby week? Uh-oh. All right. Well, I guess we're taking a break to watch the Derby. So definitely come out, because he can share with you. No?
DVR it, actually.
We'll DVR it, but then we'll have a Derby party. Okay. He likes that. All right, everybody, signing off. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Transforming your naughty pony. So if you've got a naughty pony, bring them here so we can help you transform that pony into your dream horse. See you soon.